Do you want to learn how to ask questions in English easily? In this video, you will learn all the question words with clear examples. Who? Who? Who are you? Who are you? What? What? What do you want? What do you want? Where? Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? When? When? When will you come? When will you come? Why? Why? Why are you late? Why are you late? How? How? How are you? How are you? How much? How much? How much is this? How much is this? Which? Which? Which book do you like? Which book do you like? Whose? Whose? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Whom? Whom? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? Where from? Where from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where to? Where to? Where are you going? Where are you going? What for? What for? What is this for? What is this for? Which one? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Which kind? Which kind? Which kind do you like? Which kind do you like? Which type? Which type? Which type do you prefer? Which type do you prefer? How old? How old? How old are you? How old are you? How tall? How tall? How tall are you? How tall are you? How big? How big? How big is the house? How big is the house? What about? What about? What about you? What about you? What time? What time? What time is it? What time is it? How soon? How soon? How soon will you come? How soon will you come?
إذا استفدت من هذا الدرس اضغط لايك وشارك الفيديو مع أصدقائك ولا تنسى الاشتراك ليصلك كل جديد.